channel. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and don't forget to click the bell icon. Today I am going to teach you all how to make this moving fish. I have not tied the thread, so I'll show in the last how it moves. Things you need are stapler or gum, thread, a marker and a sheet of origami paper. I have used this origami paper. If you do not have this origami paper, you can cut A4 sheet in this size. First, I will fold this sheet of paper in triangle. And now I will take the edge and fold it to the half. Like that only I'll repeat to the other side too. Make sure you press the edges after doing the fold. Now I will unfold correctly to the half. Now I will take one layer of the top part and fold it like this. And now I'll fold the upper part on this. Now I'll turn the paper and now we will fold this paper to half. And unfold it. Now I will fold this a little bit slant like this and press the edges. And I'll repeat the same thing to the other side. Make sure the top is a little bit flat. Now I will draw the eyes using whiteboard marker. Even you can use sketch pens. Even you can stick googly eyes. Now I will take two layers of thread and open this. Keep the two layers like this and staple it. If you do not have a stapler, you can use Fevicol or any gum you have at home. Like that only, I have sticked two fishes. Now we will pull these two threads. See how it moves. When you pull the thread. Even you can make many till the edge of the thread and use it as a wall decorator. Even you can do racing with your friends with this. this video, please subscribe, like and don't forget to click the bell icon and share and comment.